Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to allow group members to send messages on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, navigate to the group where you want to enable message sending. Simply tap on the group to enter its chat interface. Step 3. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on those dots to access the Group Options menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Group Info. This will take you to the group's information page. Step 5. On the Group Info page, you'll find various options. Look for Group Permissions and tap on it. Step 6. Finally, you'll see the Send Messages option. Simply toggle it on to allow group members to send messages within the group, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled group members to send messages on WhatsApp. Now, everyone can actively participate and engage in conversations within the group. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.